So to do this problem, you want to think about the graph. And here is y equals x squared. Here is the line x equals 2. So I'm looking for this region here. And revolve that around the line x equals 5. So to me this looks like a shell situation, because here's our shells, okay? See how that works? So then what we're going to do is want to set up our rectangular prism. dx is the thickness. The height of this area is that distance there, right? That's the distance of all these shells. So which is the same as the x squared. And then the circumference, because we're revolving this around the line x equals 5, if it's all the way back here at x equals 0, then the radius should be 5. But as soon as I'm back, say I'm at x equals 1, well then the radius is only going to be 4. So the way we come up with the length of the radius, you're going to do 5 minus whatever x is, and then times 2 pi. So what I did is I set up, here's our rectangular prism from the last part, and we're going to integrate this from 0 to 2, because that's the region where we're going to integrate. That's what the area is. So I wrote 0 to 2, and I just copied down the 2 pi and the radius, so it's length times width times height, or I guess we could do length times width times height this way, and then you can integrate that. You can certainly f-int that, and you should get, so what you should be getting is something about like that when you f-int that. Okay, so I hope that helps. So remember, if you're looking for that radius when you're rotating around a different line of axis of symmetry, you got to remember you got to do x, that distance, that whole distance minus x. Okay, if you're just going around the x-axis, then you can just use x. I mean the y-axis. You can just use x as your radius. Okay.